What's the meaning of apple? Apple. Apple.
Apple. Apple. Apple is a round or oval-shaped fruit with typically red, green, or yellow skin and a white juicy flesh. It is a deciduous tree and part of the rose family. Apples are one of the most widely cultivated fruits in the world and have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. They are also used in a variety of culinary dishes and beverages, such as pies, juices, and ciders. Overall, apple is a nutritious and versatile fruit that has a prominent place in both our diets and culture.